Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into the Purple Restore Mattress, specifically the soft version in Twin XL. If you have ever felt like your current bed is either a heat trap or just lacks that perfect balance of cloud-like comfort and actual support, this might be the upgrade you have been waiting for. Let us start with the star of the show, which is the GelFlex Grid. This is Purple's signature technology, and it is fundamentally different from the memory foam you are likely used to. Most memory foam beds sink in and trap your body heat, making you feel stuck or sweaty by 3 a.m. The GelFlex Grid does the exact opposite. It is an open structure that feels squishy to the touch, but it is incredibly responsive. When you move or change positions, the grid immediately flexes to cradle you and springs back into place instantly. It does not have that slow, sinking sensation of foam, which makes getting in and out of bed much easier. Beyond the grid, this mattress uses a coil core system. This is a big deal for a couple of reasons. First, it adds a layer of durability and bounce that you just do not get from all foam mattresses. Second, it promotes airflow. Between the open channels of the GelFlex Grid and the space inside the coil core, this bed is designed to be temperature neutral. It effectively draws excess heat away from your body, which is a massive win for those who tend to sleep hot. The pressure relief here is truly impressive. Because of the adaptive comfort foam layers placed beneath the grid, the mattress contours to your shoulders and hips without letting you bottom out. This is a common problem with soft mattresses, but Purple solves it with their high-quality edge support. They have integrated durable foam edge work that pairs perfectly with the edge-to-edge coils, so you get the same stable, supportive feeling whether you are sleeping right in the middle or hanging out near the side of the bed. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is fantastic. It is made in the USA, and the hyper-elastic polymer material used in the grid is built to last. You are getting a premium sleep experience that maintains its shape over time. It is rare to find a mattress that manages to be both soft and highly supportive simultaneously. On the flip side, keep in mind that this is a premium investment. The weight of the mattress is substantial because of the density of the grid and the coil system, so you might need a hand setting it up. Also, because it is so responsive, it does not have the dead, motionless feel of a traditional memory foam bed. If you are someone who strictly loves that stuck-in-the-mud feeling, this will be a big adjustment for you. To conclude, the Purple Restore mattress is a top-tier choice for anyone prioritizing temperature control and dynamic support. It bridges the gap between the pressure relief of foam and the responsiveness of coils. If you are looking to fix your sleep quality and want a bed that feels fresh every single night, this is a top recommendation. Link in the description.